Hey, what's up, YouTube? You got the old Mongo man here. It's Tuesday, June the 8th. Out here in Mongo's garage. Phoenix is still here. We're going to see what we can't get done tonight. I'm going to try to maybe do some more F-bad and maybe see what I can't figure out on that transom. All right.
Jack, get out of there! Get out of there!
All right, everybody. Yep, about 10:15. Time for me to close up shop. Just got to clean up some wood there from where I cut that transom out. I didn't get everything done that I wanted to get done tonight, but I still got the transom cut out, which was a giant job. I still have one more piece to cut out for that transom. It was a two-piece deal. So there was another piece right where the keyhole is, right dead center. And I got to cut that piece out yet. But I want to make sure that we're all good there with that one, and that we're all set up and done and ready to go. So what I am finding out is that this boat is most definitely not, for lack of a better term, square. I know it's not square, it's a boat, right? It's curves and things like that, but as far as left to right, there's different measurements. It's not symmetrical. That's the word I'm looking for. So I guess if you're OCD, probably redoing a boat is not going to best suit you. So you just got to kind of wing it. And by wing it, I mean you got to fit it. You're not going to measure it and make it, perfect, exactly the same on both sides, because it's not symmetrical. And that's what I learned tonight. So I hope you guys definitely enjoyed what we did tonight. Tomorrow night, I'm going to try and get that second portion of the, essentially the second lamination, the center of the bulkhead, of the transom completed. And then we'll do that forward bulkhead as well. I don't know if we'll get that done tomorrow night or not, but that's what we got done tonight. So, all right, that's all I got for you. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys interact with the videos. Like I said, it gets more people, it gets my viewership up. Not only the subscribers, you guys that are coming back every night and watching. I really do appreciate you guys, but you're the core, and we want to build that community a little bigger than we currently have it. So, all right, I appreciate everybody coming back, and look forward to seeing you guys later. The Mongo Man is out.